A project named Automatic Groundwater Monitoring and Control, which has been selected for NIYANTRA 2012. Here we are demonstrating the basic operation of project. The main idea we choose this project because the water is the main reason. Water is the basic need of every living being in this earth. Our world consists of 70% of water, but only 3% is available for human, which is available in ice caps, glaciers and groundwater. So we are proposing a project to regulate the use of groundwater and create awareness among people. Here consists 8051 microcontroller, which is being demonstrated as simulation project. This is the customer switch, and this three are level as indicating as LED. So each house consists of an borewell pump and an overhead tank. So according to a WHO survey, each person needs 150 liters of water per day. So the government knows how many person is in this house. So by knowing this number of people in the house, the government can allocate a particular amount of water to each house. At special case, the water can be allowed by a simple SMS from an authorized person. So we request you. So moving on to the working, this consists of three LEDs, which consist of this is as an sump motor, and this LED as an dispensing motor, and this LED as a buzzer, and this is the customer initiation switch for water dispensing, and the water tank consists of three levels according to the pressure. This switch 3 indicates that the tank is at high pressure, and this is a medium pressure, and this is a low pressure. So we reset the switch and start the working. First, the processor waits for the water to be dispensed by the user. So when the user initiates the water dispensing, the water gets dispensed for a particular amount of time. So the water will be dispensed for a particular amount of time, and it automatically goes back to off. Since there is a high pressure, the amount of time is reduced. So high pressure, it will give more amount of water. So when the pressure in the high pressure goes low, and when the user again switch on the motor, so we reset again and show you. So when this condition is called medium level. So when the user initiates the water condition, the sump motor, the dispensing motor will be on. The dispensing is called solenoid value. So this in medium pressure, the amount of time will be somewhat higher than the previous value. So the water will be flowing for some high amount of time than the previous value. So when the user presses the button, the water allocated to the user gets dispensed by this. So this wait for LED. So the LED goes up. This is the amount of water can be requested by the user. At special cases, if the user needs more amount of water, he must send a requisition SMS to the controller. So this is the authorized number you have. So we are sending a message to it. So when this message water request is given to this GSM modem. So when this water is given to GSM modem, the modem sends the message and allocates the water to the user. Person is sent to this particular number, the water gets dispensed, and after dispensing, the water is dispensed out. If some unauthorized person, this is the unauthorized person number, if he sends a same message to this number, so if he sends the same message to this number, so unauthorized SMS is received by this, so the motor will not be on. So only the authorized person can send the message and initialize the water flow. So coming to the conclusion, we have completed 90% of the project. We just need to interface the motor and the solenoid valve, and the tank part is left out. So we finish this as soon as possible. We are also trying to make a graphical interface using PLC with the help of LabVIEW. So this project can be implemented in various areas such as big industries, flats, dams, etc. In industries, we can monitor the amount of water which is given for each plant and can have a control on it. This can also be implemented in dams to check the flow of water in each area and control it. So this project can be useful in many areas. We thank Master Instruments for conducting a competition like NIYANTRA, providing us a great opportunity to learn new things and understand engineering concepts and realize the importance of engineers in real world. We thank you once again.